we're here in the kitchen now. Whether you call them pancakes or flapjacks, today is all about the breakfast favorite that'll get you going through the day.
And I'm excited. So we're testing our skills on this National Flapjacks Day with our friend, cookbook author Courtney Hill. And I just want to say, thank you to Courtney.
I want to thank you for bringing in the flapjacks.
Yes.
We all do our part.
Yes. We are so happy to have you here today. You did a thank you speech. I think that'll be on our social later on. We're getting thank you speeches from everyone here today. So if you want to know who Courtney's thanking, you got to go to our socials after this. Let's talk about the pancakes, though. That term is used in the United States, but we were talking before, flapjacks is it European?
I'm not sure where it comes from, but I know that the Europeans, it's more like a granola bar.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And I think in Canada, it's more like a pancake.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to do pancakes.
Yeah.
All right, but what goes into creating a delicious flapjack?
I have some good pancake tips for you guys today.
Great.
So whether you're making your own mix or buying it at the store, I would say buy the kind that is not complete. Buy it where you have to add the egg, the oil, and the
Wait,
milk.
so the ones where you just add the water?
That's not good?
No.
Okay.
Do not
Darn,
buy that.
I've been doing it wrong.
Unless you're going camping or something, don't buy that one.
Okay.
And I'm going to teach you a little tip that I have in my cookbook.
Okay.
I'm calling it the Courtney method. And you mix the oil and the egg together and it emulsifies and makes it really, really smooth. And you can do this when you don't want to overmix your batter. So like brownies, muffins, pancakes. So we're going to do that step first. Then we add the milk, 2/3 cup. And then the key to a fluffy pancake is a lumpy batter. Do not overmix it.
We like the lumps. Everyone remember that. Lumps are good.
So just mix it just till it's together, but see there's a bunch of lumps in there.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we have a hot griddle over here.
Love it.
Do you want to try?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Pour like 2 of those in each little, maybe make about 4. So the griddle's about 350, 375. I like to keep it kind of hot.
Okay. And you should let it warm up, right? You
Yes.
Okay.
You want to put it on there warm.
Okay.
And you kind of want to wait till you see some bubbles on the top.
Okay.
And
All
then,
right,
then you
Carrie.
Look at me. I'm a cook. I'm a chef.
Breakfast is going to be determined by you.
Oh boy.
And this is the time if you were going to add anything like bananas, blueberries, chocolate chips, whatever, kind of wait till you see those bubbles and then add it on there. So that one's got some bubbles. You might want to.
So I flip?
Yeah.
All right, the pressure's on.
Give it a try.
Oh boy, guys. I don't feel good about this.
You got, okay.
Okay, right.
She did it. She did it.
We got 3 more. Oh, okay, sorry.
We probably should have waited for that one.
Maybe let's wait a little bit.
Okay, sorry, you guys. I got
Another
excited.
tip I have is warm syrup.
Yeah.
And you got to use real maple syrup.
Okay.
That's another one of my tips.
Okay.
I mean, the pancake syrup. I know maple syrup's
I feel
a little
like
bit
I've
more
been
expensive,
eating
but
flapjacks wrong my entire life.
You have been eating them
Out of the box, only adding water and not hot.
You mentioned
real maple syrup.
You mentioned bringing it the real ingredients. We have like the eggs fresh.
Yes.
too.
Yeah.
So tell us what fresh ingredients. It makes such a difference.
Oh, it really does. I mean, definitely adding the oil and the milk instead of water adds a lot. And then, these are eggs from my chickens. I have chickens at home.
Aww.
And something that's kind
We
of
want to thank the chickens.
Right. Thanking everybody. They're going to wrap us up again.
I like to eat mine with peanut butter.
I was going to ask you that. Okay.
And it's so good. It just adds a little protein too, and so it's not so just sweet.
So you just dip it in, or you like,
I
spread it on top?
on the top on each pancake. I stack 2, and then I pour my syrup, and I do a little whipped cream too.
Oh my goodness.
That sounds really good.
Talk to us some about getting the kiddos in the kitchen, because that's.
Oh, my kids love to help me make pancakes. My son is really, really good at them. I would say the best thing is get them a non-stick something or other, because otherwise you're going to be scraping a pan, and it's going to get really frustrating. But they can mix the batter, and they can flip depending on how old they are. Like sometimes I'll say to my son, "Hey, make us pancakes," and he'll go. He's 11, and he goes and mixes.
Oh my gosh! What about TJ?
Love your son, but Mama will take care of that part in the kitchen. He can mix it for me, but not from step 1 to the end.
I love it. Courtney, tell us your website where people can find more information.
Cookhomemade.net is my website, and my cookbook's on there.
All right. All that information is listed there. For more on Courtney, just visit her website, cookhomemade.net. It's where you can find her cookbook, Homemade. We'll have all these tips on our website later this afternoon.